Welcome to our lesson on modeling algebraic expressions. Today we're going to be reading some expressions. We will analyze and annotate them, and then we will draw a picture to represent what we saw. And then in addition to the picture, we're going to write an expression using numbers. So, the first thing we're going to do is read the problem. It says, Jenny, Kim, and Eric were in a hot dog eating contest. Jenny ate 2 more hot dogs than Eric. Kim ate 3 times as many hot dogs as Jenny. Write a simplified expression representing the total number of hot dogs eaten by Jenny, Kim, and Eric. Now, the first thing that I want you to do on your paper, somewhere maybe at the top where you've got a little bit of space, I want you to write this note, and this is a very important note. The most mysterious person, and I'll tell you what this means in a minute, but mysterious person is X. So what we're going to do is we're going to figure out who is the most mysterious we don't know anything about, and then we're going to call that person X. So it says, Jenny ate 2 hot dogs more than Eric. Kim ate 3 times as many hot dogs as Jenny. So the person we don't know anything about is Eric. So I'm going to draw Eric right here, and we're going to call Eric just plain X because we don't know anything about him. Now, because we're drawing models, we're going to draw X as like a long rectangle, and then any regular numbers we'll draw as the little plus or minus sign like we've done in the past. Okay, so we know Eric is X. We don't know anything about him. Jenny, let's go ahead and take a look at Jenny. Jenny ate 2 more hot dogs than Eric. So we'll go ahead and draw a box for Jenny. Eric was this. She ate 2 more, so she ate just as much as Eric, but then plus 2. So I'm going to say 2 positives. Now, Kim is more complicated. Kim ate 3 times as many hot dogs as Jenny. So here's Kim, and she's got X, and then 2 positives. Whoops. And then another X, and 2 positives, and then a third X, and 2 positives, because she ate 3 times as many as Jenny. So you have to literally represent Jenny's 3 times. Now we're going to write an expression for each model. So Eric was just X. Jenny was X plus 2. And then Kim was 3X plus 6. Now we're going to use that to illustrate the total. So we've got X plus, because it's Eric's and Jenny's and Kim's. So we're going to add them all together because, again, we want to find the total number of hot dogs eaten. And now we're going to write and simplify the algebraic expression. So we're going to combine like terms, in other words. We've got 1x plus 1x, which is 2x, plus 3x, so that's 5x, plus 2 plus 6, which is 8. And that's my simplified expression. All right, let's go on to the next problem. Catherine, Claire, and Lisa each have coins saved. Lisa has twice as many coins as Claire. Catherine has 5 more than twice the number of coins Lisa has. Write a simplified expression representing the total number of coins that the 3 girls have. Now, we've got Lisa, we've got Claire, and we've got Catherine. We see something about Lisa. We see something about Catherine. We don't know anything about Claire. I'm going to put a big C there for Claire. Claire's just going to be X because we don't know what she is. Lisa has twice as many as Claire. So here's Lisa. She's got double. She's got twice as many, so that's 2 X's. But Catherine has 5 more than twice what Lisa has. Now Lisa has this many. Catherine's got 5 more than twice that. So Catherine actually has 4 X's, because she's got twice the amount that Lisa has, and then 5 more than that, so plus 5. Now let's go ahead and write our expression. So X, 2X, 4X, 4X plus 5, twice more than Claire, plus 5. And now we're going to show that we're totaling all of the coins. So X plus 2X plus 4X plus 5. And now we want to combine our like terms. So we've got x, which is really a 1x, plus 2x, which is 3x, plus 4x, so that's 7 total, so 7x. And then I still have my plus 5, and that's my simplified expression. All right, flip onto your backside, number 3. Matt, Steve, and John sold magazines for a school fundraiser. John sold 2 less than Matt. Steve sold twice as many as John. Write a simplified expression representing the total amount of magazines sold. Now we see something about John, we see something about Steve. We don't know anything about Matt, so Matt is going to just be X. Okay? John sold 2 less than Matt. Now this is a little bit different than what we were doing before because we've got 2 less, so now it's going to be 2 minus signs. Steve sold twice as many as John, so this is John, so Steve would be 2 full things of this. So x minus 2 and x minus 2. Excuse me. All right, so we want to know how many magazines were sold total, and so we're going to go ahead and drop this down. We've got x minus 2, or you could say x plus negative 2. We know minus and plus negative are the same. And then here we have 2 x's, so 2x, and then we have 4 negatives, so minus 4 or plus negative 4. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to set this up with a plus sign in between each because we want the total magazine sold. So x plus x minus 2 plus 2x minus 4. And then I need to sort of simplify this, so I'm going to have to do a leaf change opposite first. You see all these minus signs, so x plus negative 2 plus 2x plus negative 4, and now I can combine my like terms. X, 2x, that's 4x, plus negative 2 plus negative 4 is negative 6. So my total here is 4x plus negative 6, or you could just say 4x minus 6. Either one is okay. All right, and on to the last problem. I want you to go ahead and pause this video and try this problem on your own. Remember, you're going to make the most mysterious person X, and then draw your picture and write your expression. Okay, hopefully you got the same answer that I did. Let's go ahead and read the question. Julie, Josie, and Amy make bracelets. Julie made 3 times as many bracelets as Amy. So we know something about Julie. Josie made 2 less than twice the number of bracelets Julie made. So we know something about Josie. Write a simplified expression representing the total number of bracelets made. So we know that Amy is going to be our X because we don't know anything about Amy. She's our most mysterious character here. Okay, Julie made 3 times as many bracelets as Amy. So I'm going to go ahead and write Julie. And then I'm going to have 3 X's because she made 3 times as many as Amy. Okay, Josie made 2 less than twice the number Julie made. Well, that's a lot of bracelets. Julie made 3x, and if Josie made twice that, that's going to be 6x. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6x. But she made 2 less than twice, so we're going to have minus 2, 2 negatives. Okay, we're going to go ahead and write an expression for each one, which is x, 3x, and then 6x minus 2. And then we're going to model this. We want the total number of bracelets, so we're going to add them all up. X plus 3x plus 6x minus 2. I'm actually going to sneak that in and make it plus negative 2 because I'm combining like terms. And then I can go ahead and combine my terms that are alike. So 1x plus 3x is 4x plus 6x is 10x plus negative 2, or you could say 10x minus 2. All right, thank you for watching. Have a good day.